Hello dear students, I welcome all the standard 7 students on this online class. So previous class we have discussed about speed and its units also. Yes, I hope all of you have understood. And today we will be going to discuss and learn about different types of speed. Okay? So without delaying, let's get started this one. So speed is divided into two types. First one is the uniform speed, second one is the variable speed, which is the opposite to that of the uniform speed. Okay? Let us learn about and know about uniform speed. So when a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to be moving with a uniform or constant speed. So whenever a moving object is covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, we can take the example also. If a car is moving, then when we call that one is in the state of uniform speed. Yes, when it cover equal distances in equal interval of time. Okay, that means in 2 seconds if it cover 10 meter, then another 2 seconds also it must cover 10 meter, then another 2 seconds it must cover 10 meter, and the process will be going on only. Then only we can say that uniform speed. So for example, if a body moves 10 meter in each second of motion as shown in figure 1.21, then its speed is uniform. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this one. So variable speed, which is the opposite to that of the uniform speed, let us know about that one also. What will be the opposite to that of the uniform speed? When a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time or equal distances in unequal intervals of time, then the speed is said to be variable. In such a case, average speed is calculated. If any object is moving with variable speed, in that case we need to find out the average speed. Okay. Example of variable speed, non-uniform speed also we can call that one. Car covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. For example, it is given here, you can see here. If a body covers 10 meter, 2 meter, 12 meter and 4 meter in each second of motion. That means what? In each second it is covering unequal distances. First second is it cover 10 meter, then another 1 second it cover 2 meter only, then another 1 second it cover 12 meter only, then another 1 second 4 meter. So the change in the distance or the distance covers are different here. That's why it is called as variable speed. Okay, I hope all of you have understood that one. Then units of speed. So specially speed is measured in meter per second in SI unit and kilometer per hour. Okay, the unit of speed for automobiles such as cars, scooters, etc. used are kilometer per hour. Okay, sometime in your question it must be given in kilometer per hour, then we need to convert that one to meter per second also. And if it is given in meter per second and asking to convert that one to kilometer per hour, then also we can do that one. So let us learn about that one, how to convert that. To convert the unit of speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second, divide by 18 by 5. Okay. So if we want to convert that kilometer per hour to meter per second, then we have to divide it by 18 by 5. Because 1 kilometer divided by 1 hour is equal to 1000 meter, divided by hour we need to convert to second, 60 into 60 second. So 1000 meter divided by 3600 second. So 18 by 5 meter per second it is coming. For example, speed of car is 72 kilometer per hour, it is given. That 72 kilometer per hour we need to convert that one to meter per second. So what we have to do? We have to divide that 72 into 18 by 5, or else what else we can say that one? Yes, simply if we multiply 72 into 5 by 18, also that one is same. Yes, so 72 into 5 by 18 also we can write, as well as we can write 72 divided by 18 by 5 also we can write. So after solving that one, what we will get? 20 meter per second. So that's 72 kilometer per hour is converted into 20 meter per second. I hope all of you have understood that one. So some examples to illustrate speed also it is given. Yes. Then just before that one, you just see, to convert the speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 by 5. Yes, if we want to convert the speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour, then multiply by 18 by 5. Yes, or if we want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, then we need to multiply by 5 by 18. Yes, I hope all of you have understood that one. Examples to illustrate speed. Example 1. Mr. Sharma covers a distance of 250 km in his car in 4 hours. Find the speed of the car assuming its motion to be uniform. So what are the given thing? Distance is given, that is 250 km, and time is also given, that is 4 hours. What we have to find out? By applying the formula v is equal to velocity is equal to distance divided by time. We get v is equal to 250 km divided by 4 hours is equal to 62.5 km per hour. I hope all of you have understood that one. Example 2. The speed of a car is 60 meter per second. Speed is given here. Calculate the distance covered by the car in 30 seconds and time also given here. So s is equal to, that is speed is equal to 60 meter per second and time t is equal to 30 seconds. So by applying the formula v is equal to s by t, or by doing the cross multiplication s is equal to v into t, just simply we have to put the values, and after solving that one we will get the answer. Yes, 60 meter per second into 30 seconds is equal to 1800 meter. Then we need to convert that meter into kilometer, then 1.8 kilometer. Yes, I hope you have understood that one. Example 3. The distance between two cities is 432 km. A man covers this distance by a car in 6 hours. What is the speed of the car? Also express the speed in meter per second. Okay, let us see that one. Distance it is given, s is equal to 432 km and time t is equal to 6 hours. By applying the formula v is equal to s by t, velocity is equal to distance by or displacement by time, we get v is equal to 432 divided by 6 is equal to 72 km per hour it is coming. Yes, again the question is asking also express the speed in meter per second. Already we have found the answer, but again what else we have to do? Express the speed in meter per second. So how can we express that one? Kilometer per hour to meter per second. Just simply we have to multiply it by 5 by 18. So v is equal to 72 into 5 by 18 is equal to 20 meter per second. I hope you have understood this one. Then example 4. A boy covers 40 meter in 10 seconds, 35 meter in next 10 seconds and 25 meter in next 5 seconds in 100 meter race of an athletic meet of a school. Calculate the average speed of the boy here. So average speed, there is a formula, that means total distance covered divided by total time taken. Everything is given in the question. Total distance covered by the boy 40 meter plus 35 meter plus 25 meter is equal to 100 meter only. Then total time taken, first 10 second, then 10 second, then 5 second is equal to 25 second. So total distance covered divided by total time taken, 100 divided by 25 is equal to 4 meter per second. I hope all of you have understood this much. Thank you.